Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Maithili Gaurishankar, going to teach you SYIT SEM 3 Applied Mathematics, Unit 4, Multiple Integral. The basic integration formula is d by dx of f of x equal to f of x. Integration of f of x dx equal to capital F of x plus c. So these are the basic formulas you have studied in lower class. And also integration by substitution formula, integral tan x dx equal to log sec x plus c, integral cot x dx equal to log sin x plus c, integral sec x dx equal to log sec x plus tan x plus c, integral cosec x dx equal to log cosec x minus cot x plus c. What is double integral? You have studied in lower level only single integral. Double integral we are going to see, and also triple integral. A double integral is the counterpart of the above definition in two-dimensional. Let f of xy be a single valued and bounded function of two independent variables x and y defined in the closed region A in a xy plane. Let A be divided in n elementary areas delta A1, delta A2, etc. delta An. Then double integral of f of xy dA equal to limit summation f of xr, yr, delta ar. Simply saying, what is the double integral? Finding the area of any region in two-dimensional, making into small pieces and gathering together in double integration, we will get the answer of that area. So, introduction. When a function f of x is integrand with respect to x between limit a and b, we will get integral a to b f of x dx. If it is two function f of xy, then the double integration with the limit are integral y0 to y1, integral x0 to x1, f of xy dx dy. Similarly, triple integral will have three integrals. Integral z0 to z1, integral y0 to y1, integral x0 to x1, f of xyz dx dy dz. Triple integral is considered in 3D dimension. Region of integration. What is the procedure to do the double integration? If the double integration is given like this, we are considering the curve A and B like this. That is the value corresponding to x as phi 1 of y, phi 2 of y. This is the equation of the curve. And CD and AB are line corresponding to the y-axis as y equal to C, y equal to D. After finding the integral value and substituting the limits, we will get the region of this ABCD. Calculation. Let me see some of the example of double integration. Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 2 y square x dy dx. First we want to integrate y, then x. If we are integrating y, y square will be goes to y cube by 3. Applying the upper limit to lower limit 0, we will get the answer 8 by 3. Left with 0 to integral 0 to 1 x dx, integrating that x square by 2, upper limit 1, lower limit 0. Upper limit minus lower limit, if we are substituting and cancelling the value, we will get 4 by 3. Similarly, evaluate integral 2 to 3, integral 1 to 2, 1 by xy dy dx. Integration here we want to do again for y, x considering as constant, or we can do x considering y as constant. So 1 by x is log x. Putting the limit of upper limit minus lower limit, we will get the answer log 2, as log 1 is 0. Again, integration of 1 by y is log y. Substituting the above and below limits, upper limit minus lower limit, we will get log 3 minus log 2. Using the property of logarithm, answer is log 2 into log 3 by 2. These are the problem for practice. Change of order of integration. We want to see some procedure for change of order of integration. If the limit of integration in a double integral are constant, then the order of integration can be changed, provided the relevant limits are taken for the concerned variable. When the limits for inner integration are function of the variable, the change in the order of integration will result in change in the limit of integration. Integral c to d, integral g1 to g2 f of xy dx dy will take the form integral a to b, integral h1 to h2 f of xy dy dx. This process of converting a given double integral into its equivalent double integral by changing the order of integration is called change of order of integration. We can see the problem here. We evaluate 0 to infinity, 0 to y e power y square by x dx dy is the question for changing the order of integration. Here x limits are 0 and x limits are y. Y limit is 0 and infinity. By changing the order we are getting y equal to x to infinity, x is 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, 0 to y e power y square by x dx dy equal to 0 to infinity, x to infinity, y e power y square by x dy dx. The result will be, after using integration by parts, the result is 1 by 2. Similarly, evaluate 0 to 3 integral 1 to root 4 minus y x plus y dx dy using change the order of integration. Here the limit of y are 0 to 3, x are 1 to root of 4 minus y. After changing the integration we are getting, changing the limit we are getting x equal to 1 to 2, y equal to 0 to 4 minus x square. Applying this in the question, we are getting the result 241 upon 8. This is your reference problem. You can try using these slides. The answer is 3a power 4 by 8. This is also, the answer is 1 by 3. Thank you, students.